Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve find pair given difference. So in this question, you are given an array of length n along with an integer x. Now you have to find if there exists a pair of elements in this array whose difference is equal to x. Let us see with example. Example 1, we are given an array of length n, length 6, and the value of x is 78. Now we have to find if there exists a pair in this array whose difference is equal to 78, which is x. So prima facie we can see that difference of 2 and 80 will give us 78. So yeah, that is possible. Hence we will return 1 as a true. But in case when we could not find a pair, then we will return -1. Let us see example 1. We have array with length 5 and the value of x is 45. So after trading all the elements, we won't be able to find a pair whose difference will be equal to 45, which is x. Hence, we will return -1. We don't have to return 0 or false. We have to return -1, either 1 or -1. So I will do this question using two pointer method. First of all, I will sort the array. Cool. Then I will take two pointers I and j. Okay, I and j as obvious. I both of them starting from the zeroth index, but j will be moving faster than I. So first of all, when I is less than n, as long as I is less than n, we are within the bounds. The first condition, if array I minus array j, difference between array I and array j is equal to x, which means we have found our value. In that case, we will return 1. We will return 1, which means we have found a pair. However, if let's say, but it may not always be the case, right? Array I minus array j can be equal to x, but it can also be greater than or less than x. Sorry. In case when array I and array j difference is more than x, we will move forward j. We'll move forward j so that we can employ the next value. We can employ the next value to see whether we can find another any such pair or not. But in the case when array I and array j difference is less than x, we'll move forward I. We'll move forward I to check the another pair, okay, to increase the value of pair. After we have traversed the entire array, but we could not find any such pair, we'll return -1. That was asked in the question. So let us submit and check the efficacy of our approach. As you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly. Okay. So I hope you learned a new concept in this video and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.